If you are looking for a new diagnostic monitor for your home workstation or as a teleradiologist or for your hospital, then have a look at this monitor that I'm showing you here today. It's the 31.5-inch 8-megapixel black IPS diagnostic monitor by LG. It's a great diagnostic monitor for any radiologist, especially for the price. It's great value, and I've been using this monitor myself for over a year. I bought it myself, although this video is sponsored by LG. They sent me a second monitor to review, but I bought the monitor myself after doing my own research. So first we will have a little unboxing. We see what's in the box. I'll show you how to install the monitor, and I'll show you the functions that the monitor has to really help us as radiologists working from home. There are some nice little features that are really great for a diagnostic monitor that I really had on my wish list anyways. So let's have a look. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so what's this? The factory calibration report. There's the owner's manual and the software to install. Here we have the cables. This one, I don't know what it is, we'll see later. Then this is, I think, some form of a panel for the back. And this is just the cover. Okay, let's take it off. Okay, and here is the beauty. Oh, this is the stand. Okay, let's take the stand out. Okay. It's quite heavy, nice and sturdy. Let's put it on the side. And then, yeah, I need both hands to take this one out. So this is now everything that's in the box. And let's take the stand also out of the pack. And then also this side panel, we want to also open this, or the back panel. Okay, there you go. So the stand is quite sturdy, it's very strong, that's good. And then we have this panel will go here later. Just want to highlight the things. This is the power, which will be this one here. So this one goes here. Then USB or USB port for service stuff. Then we have two display ports, headset, and two USB up. One is needed for the calibration sensor to work. Okay, and there is a release button for this, and here is the joystick to actually use it. And then this one here is the light, I'll show later. There is the on and off button. Yeah, so it's on, this is off. And most importantly, the instructions, because we need to find out how to build this thing together. I don't see an instruction to build it up. So I guess we just have to do it on our own. So, okay, I think we just pop it up like this and pop it out like this. Okay, now that's easy, just very simple to do. That's nice, no screwing involved. And I think this should now be holding in place, and with this little button I can release it. Okay, nice, good. I can easily take it up, I can easily take it down, I can turn it. I can also just do like this or do like this, so it's very easy. Okay, let me show you my current setup. So this is my office here, and I just needed to put some additional surface here because on my 160 centimeter desk it's not enough for both monitors. But yeah, so this is the current one that I'm using for over a year now. You can see my microphone, my desk, etc. And then here my workstation. Here it comes. Oh, so heavy. Okay. Nice. So there you can see it's the same model, and we see the backlight. We can see down there the ports. Display port. Let's take display port 2 because it's closer. See, there is an additional display port where we can just plug this in. And then lastly we have the USB. Let's do that. lastly this one. So when you click this in, you just need to put this cable away so it can go through this side. And then this should fall easy into places. So very easy to install. The last bit is just for the cable management. We got this tool here. So we can clip this on like so. And then we just make sure that all these cables go through this area here. If you're really keen on having a proper cable management, which in my case, as you can see, I'm not a big cable guy. So I think that's all done. And this is how it looks like now. Obviously, this is not the setup I will be using because it's too much, 2 monitors. Let's see if the computer can actually handle it. Okay, moment of truth. There here. Okay, should now have power. Okay. There you see. All 3 monitors are now on. I like the downlight quite a bit, so we can go there. And now you can see there is a light down here from this one here. And if I turn off my light in the office, you have like this. I can also show you this here. Downlight on, which gives you a nice glow here to the mouse. The other thing is the wall light here. Wall light on. And you can see this one will shine behind the wall. Here on the other one it's off. This is nice because if you have the monitor on a flat wall, it gives you a nice light, nice backdrop to the wall and makes a faint shimmer around the monitor, and it's less strain for the eyes. Then the resolution, we can change the resolution from now 6 megapixel, although I don't think we actually need to do this. We can go down to 4 megapixel. I don't think there is any benefit in doing it. You just have a worse resolution and you can see the text is a bit more grainy. So we're going back to 8 megapixel, and then you can also see that the text is much more sharp. The presence sensor is off. You can turn it on and it will realize when you're off. I have it off. I have a screen saver anyways. Lightbox mode is when you're still looking at plain films. It gives you a white light. You can put the film on and see it through if you have plain films, so you don't need this. Not in teleradiology anyways. And picture mode, here you can cycle through the text mode, which is really nice. So if you work on office work, you have a much lower signal intensity as opposed to the other screen. I can show this here briefly in comparison. So when we have this, you can see the white of this document, and if I take it over, you can see how much less white it is. And this is good because if you have this intense white here, your eyes are under much more stress. So when I do office work, writing textbooks, editing videos and such, then I just switch to the text mode, which I really like. My old monitor was not able to do that. But this mono mode is just black and white if you want to use it. But then there is a preset DICOM format here, which I will keep. It's predefined according to DICOM standards. This little thing here is the sensor where you can actually calibrate your monitor with the software they give along. I will show you this in a separate video, how the software works and how you can calibrate your monitor on your own. So that's it. That's the 31.5-inch black IPS 8 megapixel monitor by LG, and in the next video I'm going to show you how you can calibrate the monitor so that you also have the full DICOM specification and everything.